I'm getting a rock in case he comes out so I can smash him. Oh, he's hungry.
Scared the crap out of me, dude.
If you look here, we have one of the most dangerous creatures in North America. I'm gonna poke him with a stick. Oh, he's hungry.
Hey, they
What?
can jump out to 6 feet. You realize that, right?
Yeah.
Like he could probably jump out and bite you. That's why I'm standing way far back.
Yeah. All right, here we go. I'll have to climb that cliff. Ooh, raspberries. Sweet. See if they're any ripe. Screw it. Let's roll. Oh, cobweb. Hate spiders. Ah. Need a better handhold. Here we go. Almost to the top. What was that? Saw something move. Ran into a rattlesnake earlier. Shouldn't be careful now. Almost there, boys. Ah, made it to the peak. This is Boulder Hill, South Dakota. Right out there is Rapid City. And right there is Harney Peak, highest peak in South Dakota. Like 7,200 feet thereabouts.